Good day everyone. I am Erich Ann Malaluan, the leader of this project, welcoming you to our comprehensive presentation on Actuate. Joining me are Erica Hazel Manalo, the programmer of our group, and Precious Kate Kaganan, the member assigned to documentation. Together, we've collaborated to develop Actuate, an innovative project aimed at promoting good health and well-being through real-time weather guidance. Today, we'll explore how Actuate analyzes weather data and provides guidance to promote well-being and safety during various weather conditions. Additionally, we'll discuss how Actuate contributes to raising awareness about the importance of considering weather factors in health-related decision-making.
The Philippines, with its tropical climate, often experiences soaring temperatures, leading to discomfort, health issues, and even fatalities. During the past weeks, the heat index in the Philippines has reached alarming levels, increasing the risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat stroke, dehydration, and heat exhaustions. Accurate recognizes the urgent need to address this issue by providing real-time weather guidance, thereby minimizing health risks and promoting well-being.
And now, let's explore how Accurate works. So this project uses Python programming language and Flask web framework to fetch weather data from the Open Weather Map API. And by integrating HTML templates, we created a dynamic user interface that adapts to users' inputs and preferences. The code comprises several key components. So the first function is def get weather from API. This function retrieves weather data for a specified city or location using the Open Weather Map API. And the next function is def advice based on temperature and exercises based on temperature. So these functions provide health advice and recommended exercises based on the current temperature. And aside from this, Accurate offers two modes of interaction to cater the user's preference. We have the automatic mode, which allows the users to fetch weather data automatically by providing their location. And we also incorporated manual mode so that users can manually input the temperature if they prefer it. Additionally, by using looping functionality, we have enabled users to interact with the site more dynamically. The introduction of a back button allows users to navigate through the interface smoothly, enabling them to revise their inputs as necessary.
Upon inputting the location or temperature, users receive comprehensive real-time weather information, including temperature, weather descriptions, personalized health advice, and recommended exercises to promote well-being and safety. In addition, users have the flexibility to interact with Accurate's recommendations effortlessly. With a simple click of a button, they can choose to show or hide the health advice and recommended exercises sections so they can focus on the information most relevant to them. And lastly, the back button, as explained earlier, serves as a convenient navigational aid for users.
In conclusion, Actuate represents the culmination of our efforts in CPE 401, showcasing our proficiency in Python programming and the application of programming concepts in practical setting. Thank you for your attention. We are immensely proud to present Actuate as our final project, and we look forward to your feedback and engagement.